Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to use PayPal internationally. If you've ever needed to send or receive money across borders, PayPal is a game changer. It's fast, secure, and user-friendly. Let's break it down step by step so you can start using it like a pro. First off, make sure you have a PayPal account. If not, head to the PayPal website or app and sign up with your email and a secure password. Once you're in, verify your account by linking a bank account or credit card. This is crucial for international transactions to avoid limits. Now, for international use, select the Send Money option and choose the recipient's country. PayPal supports over 200 countries, but remember, not all currencies are directly available, so it might convert automatically. Keep an eye on exchange rates. They can fluctuate, so use the Check Rates feature to see costs up front. One key thing: fees. International transfers often include currency conversion fees, which can be around 2.5 to 4% depending on your location, plus any sender or receiver charges. To minimize these, send in the recipient's local currency if possible. Also, be aware of restrictions. Some countries have limits on how much you can send, so check PayPal's policies or your bank's rules first. Security is a big deal here. Always use two-factor authentication. Double-check recipient details, and never share your password. If you're receiving money internationally, ensure your account is fully verified to avoid holds on funds. In summary, using PayPal internationally is straightforward once you're set up, but stay informed about fees and regulations to avoid surprises. Give it a try for your next global payment. It's a lifesaver. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.